This book is Froggy Learns to Swim by Jonathan London. It was hot. It's a great day for a swim, said Froggy's mother. So Froggy and his parents flopped outside to the pond. Flop, flop, flop. On your mark, get set, go! Froggy's father sailed in splash. Froggy's mother sailed in splash. But where was Froggy? Froggy! Called his mother. What? Come on in and swim. No, no, I don't know how to swim. I want to swing. Whee! sang Froggy, swinging. Higher and higher. He swung so high he almost touched the sky. He swung so high he would round and round the crossbar. Zing! Then unwound like a spring. Zing! And flew through the air. Right smack into the pond. Splash! What are you doing? asked Froggy's mother. I'm drowning, cried Froggy. Help! He grabbed hold of his mother and climbed on. What do you mean you're drowning? Don't you know frogs are born in the water? They are great swimmers. Not me, bubbled Froggy. I can't swim. Oh, fiddlesticks, she said. I'll show you how. First, float on your belly and stick your face in. I won't let go. Say bubble, bubble under water, then raise your face for air and say toot toot. I don't want to, Froggy whined. Oh, come on, Froggy, just try it. Repeat after me. Bubble, bubble, toot toot. Bubble, bubble, toot toot, spluttered Froggy. Great, now float on your back and do the frog kicks. I won't let go. Then go like this. And she showed Froggy how, saying, Chicken airplane soldier. Do it, and repeat after me. Chicken airplane soldier. I don't want to, whined Froggy. Oh, come on, Froggy. Just try it. Chicken airplane soldier, gasped Froggy. He gobbled and bubbled and almost sank. Mommy, I need my flippers. Then I'll swim. Froggy climbed out and flopped back to his house. He pulled on his flipper, zup, and flopped back to the pond. Flop, flop, splash! Now try it again, said Froggy's mother. Bubble, bubble, toot, toot, chicken airplane soldier. He gobbled and bubbled and almost sank. Mommy, I need my mask and snorkel. Then I'll swim. Froggy climbed out and flopped back to his house. He pulled on his mask and snorkel. Zunk, zink, and flopped back to the pond. Flop, flop, splash! Now one more time, said Froggy's mother. Bubble, bubble, toot, toot, chicken airplane soldier. And then it happened. Oops, spluttered Froggy. What's the matter? asked his mother. Oh, nothing, he said, looking more red in the face than green. Well, it's getting cold, Froggy. It's time to get out. No, no, I can't get out. Why not? Well, and he bubbled underwater while she crawled out. Then he burst up for air and yelled, Wait! What is it? asked his mother. My bathing suit, he shouted. Don't look, I'm getting out. Froggy climbed out and yanked on his bathing suit with a zap of elastic. Then he pulled on his flippers, zup, and he sailed back into the pond. Flop, flop, splash! Froggy! called his mother. What? I told you, it's time to get out. No, no, I don't want to get out. I want to swim. Froggy's mother shook her head. I told you frogs are great swimmers, she said, and she sat down with Froggy's father to watch him. And Froggy sang, Bubble, bubble, toot, toot, chicken airplane soldier, all night long. Zwing. The end.